Retrofit of filter press for bidirectional through flow. Introduction of original process. After the filter press starts, the hydraulic system drives the pressing plate forward. It tightly presses the alternately arranged filter plates and diaphragm plates, forming a sealed filtration unit group. The suspension to be filtered enters through the feed port under high pressure from the feed pump into the closed cake chamber. Driven by the pressure difference, the liquid in the suspension passes through the filter cloth and flows through the channels on the filter plate surface and is discharged from the filtrate outlet. The solid particles in the suspension are retained by the filter cloth, accumulating in the cake chamber to form an initial cake. This stage continues until the cake chamber is filled with solids, and the initial solid-liquid separation is complete. After stopping the feed, the pressing system injects high-pressure medium into the pressing chamber inside the diaphragm plate medium. The elastic diaphragm expands toward the cake chamber under high pressure, exerting uniform and strong squeezing force on the already formed cake, so that the residual free water and some bound water are further squeezed out and expelled. It passes through the filter cloth and is discharged. After pressing is complete, the high-pressure medium is discharged, and the diaphragm plate returns to its original shape. After pressing, the hydraulic system drives the pressing plate back. The clamped filter plate set is loosened, and the filter plates are pulled apart one by the plate pulling mechanism. The formed dry cake falls off between the filter plates by gravity, completing one working cycle. 2. Core retrofit process. The original diaphragm plate's pressing air inlet is modified to a side position, and flexible leather air tubes are used to connect with the dedicated pressing air supply pipes. This design ensures that each diaphragm plate bears uniform force during pressing, with consistent pressure, thereby improving the stability and effect of overall pressing. A new drain port is added in the filter plate structure, accelerating the discharge of free water and pressed water. A corner blow port is opened above the filter plate, and compressed gas is injected simultaneously during diaphragm pressing. The gas penetrates the cake layer, further carrying out internal moisture, effectively reducing the residual moisture content of the cake. By combining high-pressure pressing with airflow carrying, a synergistic dewatering mechanism is formed. Dedicated pipes for bidirectional countercurrent corner blowing, control valves, and monitoring instruments are added at the head and tail of the filter press. Meanwhile, to ensure the dewatering effect of the cake in the middle part of the filter press, the corner blow holes on the filter plates adopt a differential size of 6 mm at both ends and 10 mm in the middle, different hole diameters, enhancing the removal of bound water in the cake, achieving systematic control and stable operation.